Ryan Salazar here with Broadcast Beat at the 2016 Broadcast Asia show. As everybody knows, we're the official video partner of the show. We've got Cameron O'Neill, Director of APAC. How you doing, sir?
I'm great. Yourself?
Doing really good.
Good to hear.
Trying to survive through all the different time changes and everything.
Yeah, I mean, it sort of gets all of us on that one, doesn't it? Too many time zones.
Exactly. So talk about Riedel's solutions philosophy.
Yeah, sure. Well, I suppose the simplest way to think about it is kind of like Lego. We start from the smallest possible piece all the way up to the big events that you see up on the screen here, like the air race and the Formula One and the Olympics. So we are going from simple intercom all the way up through to router replacement to video processing, video distribution. We started originally as intercom and in radio hire, and now we've moved much into the more production and video world, which has been quite exciting for us.
Yeah, you guys have expanded your horizons quite a bit over the last few years with different types of announcements, like the Skype box, very cool box, and you have some announcements here today, right?
Yeah, that's correct. So, I mean, Skype is a big story from us. So we partnered with Microsoft to bring Skype into the professional world. So making sure that you'd actually have SDI outputs, no logos popping up on screen and such. But what we've done today, and what we're bringing here, and the big stories for us right now, is our two products here, Micron and the Smartpanel. So Micron is, like I was saying before, it's that Lego system, but for video. So in that box there, it's a 12 by 12 video router. It's also a 12-channel frame synchronizer and a 12-channel frame embedded de-embedder. So by itself, it's a pretty powerful box, but I jam a couple of fiber bits into there, and suddenly I've got a 12,000 by 12,000, 1200 by 1200 video router, and that can be distributed over 250 kilometers.
Wow, so you're literally daisy chaining these.
Yeah, daisy chain, we can ring them, we can star them as well. So basically you have your inputs and outputs where you need them, as opposed to trying to bring everything back to a monolithic router.
Oh man, I want a bunch of those.
Yeah, I mean, it's really changing a lot of dynamics. I mean, you think about a big TV studio, how many cables are you pulling from one end of the building to the other? And when you talk about an OB truck, you've then got to worry about the weight of that. And if something happens, which cable's busted? With this, it's all there on the fiber.
Oh, so I see what you're saying. You just run one layer of fiber, you put the box at the other side and connect that equipment, you can keep going. That's amazing.
Exactly, yeah, it's like a virtual router, so you don't have to worry about where those ins and outs are. You just connect the fiber and you're there.
Okay, now let's talk about this sexy beast here, because this is, wow, that's pretty cool. I want to take one home with me now.
Yeah, so this is our new smart panel and the new expansion panel that's come with it. So we call it a smart panel because it's like your smartphone. You have one bit of hardware, I've got different apps to the apps that you run, and that makes our phone customized for what we want to do. With this, it starts off as an intercom panel, but then you can put different applications on there. Say, if you want to have a router control panel for the MediaNet system, you can run your router off there. And we're looking at other apps in the future as well. So one bit of hardware, different bits of software.
What's really cool though is I'm noticing you guys have different like little icons and pretty text.
Yeah, that's correct, and you also notice there's color as well, and this is all touchscreen as well, so I can be changing the volume there by changing that, turning things on and off just with the physical button, because obviously that's important to people. You want to know when you're pressing that button to talk to someone. But yeah, it can be a telephone dialer. You can see over here, it's actually routing the audio to the screen, so we can be pressing that and choosing. Someone's locked it on me.
Oh, I saw that you locked one of the things. That's really cool.
So
okay.
Locking, yeah. Icons and such, and then we just change the app that's on there, and suddenly it's your video router as well with the same colors and icons as well.
Very nice. All right, Cameron O'Neill, Director of the Asia Pacific for Riedel. Thank you so much.
No problem. Thank you kindly. Thanks for dropping by.